Good morning, children. Welcome to our social science class. Today we are going to learn about unity in diversity. India is the seventh largest country in the world. It is also the second most populated country in the world. It is a land of variety. This vast country is divided into many states for political purposes. Still, there is a unity that binds all the states and their people together. All Indians live together with a feeling of oneness without any difference. Big or small, each state adds beauty to our country as a whole. Even though there is diversity in all aspects, we are all Indians is the only thought that runs through our minds. Our country is like one big family. Landscape. You studied about the various types of landforms in India. There are snow-capped mountains, deserts, plains, plateaus, valleys, rivers, oceans and seas. To the north of our country are the mighty Himalayan ranges and the northern plains. In the south we have the Deccan Plateau surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Arabian Sea in the west and the Indian Ocean in the south. The Thar Desert is located in the northwestern part of India. Due to the diverse land features, the climate is also very different throughout the country. Each state has its own type of food, festivals, costumes and practices. Climates. India has different physical features. The physical divisions of our country are the northern mountain, the fertile Gangetic plain, the Thar desert, the Deccan plateau and the coastal plains. These differences cause differences in climate too. The places in the north are very cold in winter. The summers are very hot. The sea breeze is a blessing to the people who live in the coastal regions. Rajasthan and most part of the Gujarat are extremely dry. Assam, Meghalaya and other eastern states are very hot for most part of the year. Even the types of soil differ from region to region. Next, language. Languages and religions are many and vary from state to state. Even your friends in class speak different languages at home. Still, all of you are friends at school. There are many languages spoken in the various parts of India. Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu and Kashmiri are some of the major languages spoken in the northern states. The western states mainly use Marathi, Konkani, Gujarati, Rajasthani. In the south, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Malayalam are widely spoken. Assamese, Bengali, Oriya are some languages spoken in the eastern states. Many of these languages have several common words. There are two official languages. They are Hindi and English. Each language has its own style of writing known as the script. Next, food habits. People with different customs, habits and tastes live here. The people of India eat simple food. In the recent past, their food habits have been decided by their age and health. People prefer nutritious food and they take much more care of their health in these modern days. The North Indians use wheat as their staple food. As we all know, rice is the staple food of the South Indians. Food habits differ from state to state as people depend upon what grows nearby. Indians eat a lot of vegetables and fruits. Meat and fish are popular in coastal areas. India's spicy food is famous in other countries of the world. During festivals and celebrations, people eat many varieties of food. Food habits change according to the seasons in each state. Next, dress. The diverse landforms and climate influence our dresses too. The Himalayan region is extremely cold. As we move downwards to the northern plains, it is very cold in winter and very hot in summer. Further south, the climate is moderate. It is neither very hot nor very cold. People in our country wear clothes according to the climate. In the cold regions of northern and eastern India, dresses made from wool, fur, or leather are worn in winter, and dresses made of cotton are worn during summer. In South India, people mainly wear cotton clothes except in the hills where light woolens are required in winter. Saris, salwar kameezes, trousers, shirts and skirts are commonly worn throughout the country. Each state also has a traditional dress that people wear during special occasions like marriages. Next, dances. Dance, music, art and festivals have given us a common culture. Indian dances are classified into three groups: classical, folk and tribal dances. People usually dance in groups when they are very happy, especially during weddings, birthdays, festivals and even during harvesting. The most popular classical dances are the Bharatanatyam of Tamil Nadu, Kathakali of Kerala, Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh, Odissi of Oriya, Manipuri of Manipur and Kathak of Uttar Pradesh. In the beginning, dancing was a form of worship. Dancers danced in temples and later they danced in palaces to please the kings. There are two main styles of classical music. They are the Hindustani and Carnatic music. Next, festivals. People following different religions such as Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism live in India. They all celebrate their festivals. Diwali. The Hindus celebrate Diwali all over India. Diwali is the festival of lights. Diwali means row of lamps. Houses are cleaned and decorated with lamps, candles and lights. The winter season begins with Diwali. Onam. Onam is a harvest festival celebrated in Kerala in honor of a king, Mahabali. This colorful festival is famous for boat races and beautifully decorated elephants. Pongal. Pongal is a harvest festival. It is celebrated on the first day of the Tamil month called Thai. It marks the end of the rice harvest. It is celebrated for 3 days. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. This festival is celebrated in the month of March when the weather is neither hot nor cold. People throw colored powder called gulal and colored water on each other to celebrate Holi. Christmas. Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th December. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Christmas carols are sung and worship services are held in churches. Gifts are exchanged. Ramzan and Bakrid. These festivals are celebrated by Muslims. People go to mosque to pray. Sevai, a special sweet dish, is prepared on these festivals. People embrace and wish each other Eid Mubarak. Money and clothes are distributed among the poor. A festival is a time for fun fest, singing, dancing, and wearing new clothes. We celebrate festivals together with our families and friends. Next, national festivals. 3 festivals are celebrated throughout the country. They are called national festivals. They are Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26 January every year. India became republic on this day in 1950. The main function is held in New Delhi. There is a grand parade. The police, folk dancers, armed forces and school children take part in the parade. Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August. India became an independent country on this day in 1947. The Prime Minister hoists our national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. Schools and colleges also celebrate Independence Day. Next, Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on October 2nd, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is the father of our nation. The Prime Minister, the President, and others pay their respect at the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. These national festivals prove our strength is in unity in diversity.
Children, first Roman, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, rice is the staple food of South Indians. Rice is the staple food of South Indians. R-I-C-E, rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Staple, S-T-A-P-L-E, staple. South, S-O-U-T-H, South. Indians, I-N-D-I-A-N-S, Indians. Number 2, Christmas is celebrated by Christians. Christmas is celebrated by Christians. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, Christmas, celebrated. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E-D, celebrated. Christians, C-H-R-I-S-T-I-A-N-S, Christians. C-H-R-I-S Jayanti. October. 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 Number 4. Places in the north are very cold in winter. Places in the north are very cold in winter. N-O-R-T-H, north. N-O-R-T-H, north. Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Number 5. Meat and fish are popular in coastal areas. Meat and fish are popular in coastal areas. C-O-A-S-T-A-L, coastal. C-O-A-S-T-A-L, coastal. Areas. A-R-E-A-S, areas. Number 6. Food habits change according to the seasons in each state. Food habits change according to the seasons in each state. H-A-B-I-T-S, habits. Change. C-H-A-N-G-E, change. According. A-C-C-O-R-D-I-N-G, according. Seasons. S-E-A-S-O-N-S, seasons. State. S-T-A-T-E, state. Number 7. People usually dance in groups when they are happy. People usually dance in groups when they are happy. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. U-S-U-A-L-L-Y, usually. Dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Groups. G-R-O-U-P-S, groups. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Number 8. The tribal dances are performed by the tribal people. The tribal dances are performed by the tribal people. T-R-I-B-A-L, tribal. T-R-I-B-A-L, tribal. Dances. D-A-N-C-E-S, dances. Perform. P-E-R-F-O-R-M-E-D, perform. Tribal. T-R-I-B-A-L, tribal. People. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. Number 9. A festival is a time of wearing new clothes. A festival is a time of wearing new clothes. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival. Time. T-I-M-E, time. Wearing. W-E-A-R-I-N-G, wearing. New. N-E-W, new. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Number 10. Holi is a festival of colors. Holi is a festival of colors. H-O-L-I, Holi. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival. Colors. C-O-L-O-U-R-S, colors. Next, Roman 2. Answer the following. Answer the following. Number 1. What are the languages of the northern states? What are the languages of the northern states? Punjabi, Urdu and Kashmiri. Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu and Kashmiri. H-I-N-D-I, Hindi. Punjabi, P-U-N-J-A-B-I, Punjabi. Urdu, U-R-D-U, Urdu. Kashmiri, K-A-S-H-M-I-R-I, Kashmiri. Number 2, how are the Indian dances classified? How are the Indian dances classified? The Indian dances are classified into classical, folk and tribal. The Indian dances are classified into classical, folk and tribal. I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian. D-A-N-C-E-S, dances. Classified. C-L-A-S-S-I-F-I-E-D, classified. Classical. C-L-A-S-S-I-C-A-L, classical. Folk. F-O-L-K, folk. Tribal. T-R-I-B-A-L, tribal. Number 3, name the South Indian languages. Name the South Indian languages. Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam. Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam. T-A-M-I-L, Tamil. Telugu. T-E-L-U-G-U, Telugu. Kannada. K-A-N-N-A-D-A, Kannada. Malayalam. M-A-L-A-Y-A-L-A-M, Malayalam. Number 4, name any 5 classical dance forms of India. Name any 5 classical dance forms of India. Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Odissi and Manipuri. Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Odissi and Manipuri. B-H-A-R-A-T-A-N-A-T-Y-A-M, Bharatanatyam. Kathakali. K-A-T-H-A-K-A-L-I, Kathakali. Kuchipudi. K-U-C-H-I-P-U-D-I, Kuchipudi. Odissi. O-D-I-S-S-I, Odissi. Manipuri. M-A-N-I-P-U-R-I, Manipuri. Number 5, what are the major religions followed in India? What are the major religions followed in India? Hinduism, Christianity, Islam and Buddhism, etc. Hinduism, Christianity, Islam and Buddhism, etc. H-I-N-D-U-I-S-M, Hinduism. Christianity. C-H-R-I-S-T-I-A-N-I-T-Y, Christianity. Islam. I-S-L-A-M, Islam. Buddhism. B-U-D-D-H-I-S-M, Buddhism. Next, new words. New words. Number 1, extremely. Extremely. E-X-T-R-E extremely. ESTREMELY, extremely. Number 2, celebration. Celebration. CELEBRATION, celebration. CELEBRATION, celebration. Number 3, encourage. Encourage. ENCOURAGE, encourage. ENCOURAGE, encourage. Number 4, staple. Staple. STAPLE, staple. STAPLE, staple. Number 5, costume. Costume. COSTUME, costume. COSTUME, costume. Number 6, diversity. Diversity. DIVERSITY, diversity. DIVERSITY, diversity. Number 7, depend. Depend. DEPEND, depend. DEPEND, depend. Number 8, language. Language. LANGUAGE, language. LANGUAGE, language. Number 9, continent. Continent. CONTINENT, continent. CONTINENT, continent. Number 10, process. Process. PROCESS, process. PROCESS,